Hey, I'm Tushar, founder of LinkPush, and today I'm going to show you how you can gain thousands and thousands of followers on Instagram using LinkPush. So in order to use the follow to DM feature, just go to the automations tab, then click on create new automation, select the post that you want to set up the automation on, click on next, enter the keyword that will trigger the automation. For instance, here I'm just going to type in link, then click on next. Now here you can specify the comment replies as usual. Now here's what's new. This is the follow to DM feature, and if you enable it, you can see there's an extra message being added, and even in the preview side. So what essentially this new feature does is, when somebody comments on your post or reel, it is gonna send them a DM, but it is gonna check whether that person follows you or not. So in case they follow you, it's directly going to send your link or whatever is your end message. But in case they don't follow you, what the automation is going to do is it's going to ask them to follow you. So this is the message that's going to go to the non-followers that, hey, it seems you haven't followed me yet. Please follow me to get the link. So once they click on I'm following, that's when your end message or end link will go to them. What this essentially does is it keeps your links to your followers. So only your followers can access your link. And also it prompts non-followers to follow you in order to get the link, which in turn increases your follower count. So I'm gonna quickly show you how it works. I'll just add a DM, hey, thanks for your comment. Here is the link. And I'm just gonna quickly add a link here. And then I'm just gonna start the automation. So let's just see how this feature works in real life. As you can see, I've logged in from another account and I do not follow this account. And this was the reel that I had set up the automation on. So I'm going to quickly open it and I'm going to comment link. Now I should be receiving the message, and yeah, we got the message. And as you can see, since I do not follow this account, I got this message that, hey, it seems like you haven't followed me yet. Visit my profile and follow me, then tap I'm following. So I'm going to click on visit profile. I'm going to follow. And then I'm going to go back and then I'm going to click I'm following. So I should be getting the link now. Yeah. So as you can see, I got my end link, and if I click on get link, it'll redirect me to whatever link I had added. Yeah. So what are you waiting for? Get ahead of your competition and start growing your followers today using LinkPush. Try it out for free at linkpush.co.